Lots lined up like always, but our top focus for the hour. An 8-month-old baby has reportedly contracted the human metapneumovirus. The baby is currently in a private hospital in Bengaluru and doesn't have any travel history in the recent past. Importantly, the centre is yet to confirm this case as a case of HMPV. But if confirmed by the government, it will be the first case of HMPV in India. The Health Ministry has stated that there is no cause for alarm and that India is closely monitoring the global situation. But for the latest, let me straight away cut across to Deepak Bopanna, my colleague, joining me for more. Deepak, good morning. With that case that having come through, what are the details that we're picking up and what more can you tell us in terms of the fact that now, pretty sure, more strict measures have been taken in that regard?
Well, it's an 8-month-old baby right now being treated at a Bengaluru private hospital. The family hails from Hunusamaranahalli. This is towards Yelahanka, the northern part of Bengaluru. They have no travel history, neither the baby or the family members. As of now, the state health department was informed about this case. They have also, of course, communicated to the center. Now, some official sources, of course, in the department maintain that the incidence rate here in this case or this virus is about 0.8 out of the population in the country. So nothing to really be worried about. There's no special line of treatment that's required. As of now, the baby is being given, treatment as per protocol. And they're saying that, there have been other cases as well, similar to this in the past as well. And as of now, the ICMR has not issued any sort of particular warning. Now, considering there are, of course, some serious reports that are coming to the fore from China, which are not, of course, completely confirmed in every aspect. There is, of course, a certain amount of precaution that needs to be exercised, and that's exactly what's happening. The latest update that I can give you is that the health minister, following this case, has called for a review meet. This is going to happen at about 12:30 at the Vikas Sauda. He's going to be speaking to all the health department officials. Also, the private hospital where the baby is admitted, some of the doctors there as well could be invited. And we'll really have to see what sort of statement emerges post that. Because while on one hand, official sources in the department maintain this is not the first case, the health minister wants to probably take this much more seriously and ensure that if this strain is anything similar to what's being reported in China, how to really tackle it is something that will be the state government's priority, is what I'm hearing.
All right. So you're essentially stating, given how this is panning out, cognizance being taken with that meet that has been called by the Karnataka Health Minister, that is Dinesh Gundu Rao. Deepak, thank you for drawing perspective, not just about what we're picking up so far in terms of this case, but also what's being done in that regard. But if I could quickly ask you this as well, Deepak, as you point that out in terms of the cognizance has been taken in terms of the administration, this case has been reported from a private hospital, correct?
Yes, it's a private hospital in Bengaluru, to be precise, at the Baptist Hospital, where the child, of course, being treated. It's 8-month-old, 8 days, in fact, to be precise. And right now, the health department under the health minister, Mr. Dinesh Gundu Rao, will be meeting at 12:30 this afternoon to review this particular case and the preparedness overall, if there is a necessity for the same.
All right, Deepak, thank you very much for joining us on Top of 11 with all those details that we're given to understand. Also, with that action that's been taken by the state government so far, what will be the outcome of that review meeting? Of course, we'll keep coming back to you to keep us ahead. But for the moment, we leave the conversation at that.